Hey guys, C here and welcome back to the channel. Now for those that don't know, I recently went back to sewing after giving up that craft almost 5-6 years ago. I've gotten back into the swing of things and I've been having so much fun. I've been making things left and right and I've been having a ball. My Joann's had simplicity patterns for $1.99 each, so I decided to go out, see, what I could get my hands on. I picked up 5 patterns. I did keep it to a minimum. And so I'm going to go over my pattern haul with you guys. I hope that this haul inspires you to go to your local craft store, get some patterns, blow the dust off your sewing machine, spark some creativity, have a little fun making your own clothes, okay? So I have 5 simplicity patterns from what I picked up last night. And then I have 2 honorary patterns that I want to get into as well. I didn't pick them up last night, but they are new. So we'll talk about that in a minute. Now, the first pattern that I want to discuss is my favorite. Now, of course, the model and the colors that they select, it's always like really intriguing when you see it in the book or when you pick it up off the rack or whatnot. But the blouses, the long sleeve blouses, if you know me, this is right up my alley because I love a good blouse. Who doesn't? Now, all of these patterns are easy to sew, because I am a self-taught sewist and I want to make my life easier, not harder. I want to have fun and not be stressed. So, that caveat. Now, this is a blouse pattern. There are 4 different blouses. They're all long sleeves. The only difference is a variation with the pocket on the lapel or the sleeve cuff and the amount of buttons. But, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This one right here with the 3 buttons and it's got a longer hemline. Yeah, I'm excited to wear that. So this is going to be great with your silky types, crepes, rayon, sateen, lightweight denim, flannels, and cottons. This is going to be so fun. Now, I'm a little intimidated about these buttons because I think you do have to make buttonholes. And while both my machines make buttonholes, I have not. I don't think that's a function that I've ever used on my sewing machine. That's a little intimidating. But hey, we're going to try it out anyway. If you are interested in how these projects go, definitely make sure that you are subscribed and you come back because I will keep you up to date on all of these many projects. It looks like a very ambitious year that I have ahead of me. So definitely make sure that you're subscribed. I'm also doing my monthly makes. So I just dropped my February monthly makes, and of course my March makes will be coming right along as well. So make sure you're subscribed for live action updates and make sure you follow me on Instagram at WeSeeStyle. Now, getting back into the patterns. The next pattern that I am super excited about is Simplicity R11690. This is 2 cardigans, a skirt, and a tank or a top. It's so intriguing because look at how great the model is dressed and then the colors that they select on the packaging. Like, it's so hard not to like it. I'm loving this. I love cardigans. Of course. I love cardigans, skirts. This is going to be great for knits. I'm excited to use this one as well. Oh my goodness. And of course, I pick up patterns that I can wear to work because when I'm not at work, this is what I look like. So yeah, I'm excited. All right. The next one that, of course, I'm excited for is Simplicity S9679. This is 2 top variations. It's got a little shoulder peak action, a little collarbone action. Super sexy. I'm here for it. I love a nice top. So this is going to be great with stretch knits like cotton knits, interlock, jersey, sweater knits, bamboo, and rayon knit. Doesn't look like you need much fabric for this. Of course, it's an easy sew as well. And look how beautiful the model is. Like, Simplicity knows what they're doing. It looks great. I'm excited about that. Make sure you stay tuned for that one. Now here, the next one is Simplicity 9690. This is like a suit separate. So this is a top and 2 pairs of pants, pull-on pants, as a matter of fact. So this is going to be great with silky types, crepe, double Georgette, soft cottons, velvet, and jersey. It's looking like I need some single fold bias tape for this, and of course elastic. There are different variations with the top and the pants. Yeah, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I haven't made pants since I got back into sewing. So far all I've made are some dresses and skirts. I'm going to kick things off, kind of get a little bit of practice in by making my daughter some leggings. So I'll be doing that pretty soon. And of course, I'll keep you guys updated. But to make pants for myself, I've made pants for myself several times in the past. I don't know if I have any pictures. If so, I'll put them on the screen and show you. I don't think I have very many. But I have made myself tons of pants, mostly like palazzo pants, back when those were like popular. But yeah, I'm excited. Of course, having easy to sew takes a little bit of the pressure off. And then once I have practiced enough, then I'll probably start doing some free-handed type stuff. But I'm excited for that one. And then the last simplicity pattern that I picked up last night is 9454. And this is just some dress and top coordinates to make for me and my daughter. So this is going to be great with some cottons, cotton blends, corduroy, linens, and rayons. With the misses sizes for this pattern, you can also change it into sleepwear, but it doesn't recommend sleepwear for the child sizes. But this is cool. Kai is actually one of my biggest supporters when it comes to sewing. And so now she wants me to start making her some things. When I stopped sewing, she was actually, I think I was pregnant with her when I stopped sewing. So I haven't really made much for her other than like a baby blanket or mending something that's torn or ripped. So I'm going to make my girl something, and I think it'd be cute if we dress alike. We already look alike. We might as well just like to. So stay tuned for that one. Now, the two honorary patterns that I have are both new look patterns. I did not pick these up last night. As a matter of fact, I ordered these early winter, maybe late fall. I never even really looked at the packaging. I was recommended these two patterns by Mimi G. I think I'll see if I can find the post or whatnot where I think she had a fabric haul as well. But these are both new look. This is new look 6729. This is a crop top, a skirt, and a dress. It's got a little hip action going on. And so yeah, it's a dress top and a skirt. And I love the little peekaboo hip, you know, I like that, and the deep V. So I'm excited to try that out. I love a good maxi. Maxi dresses, maxi skirts. Okay, so I'll be adding this into the patterns that I want to start working on right away. And then this is new look in 6732. This is just a top with two different sleeve variations. It's got some ruffles, so the ruffles, it's probably gathered. That does intimidate me. Now, I've done ruffles and gathering before, but I don't think they turned out very well at all. So, nervous, but once again, easy patterns because self-taught sewist over here, okay? All right. So that is my pattern haul, you guys. These are the projects that I'll be working on in conjunction with my monthly makes. So definitely make sure that you subscribe and you come back and see how these projects turned out. I am so excited. Like I said, I do have a few trepidations, some things that I haven't worked with, like the buttonholes and the gathering or the ruffles. And the pants. So make sure that you stick around. You guys send me some encouragement in the comments down below. Keep me on task. But as always, I love you guys for watching. I'll catch you next week.